Hi, I'm Pavni from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, I'm going to show how to create SSO key in Informatica MFT and install with B2B Data Exchange. The agenda for the video is creating SSO key in Informatica Managed File Transfer, installing the SSO key to enable SSO with B2B Data Exchange, and a demo on the same. To create the SSO key, log into MFT server, then navigate to MFT home/server/MFT tools directory. Here we have mft-keytool.sh utility, which we have to use to generate the key. The syntax of the command is as follows: /mft-keytool.sh-c generate key -keygen passphrase -kp -ksp -old kp -old ksp. This command will override the existing key store file present in mft home server config security directory. To make the changes into effect, we have to restart MFT service. Copy the key store file to DX server to install with DX. To install the SSO key with Data Exchange, log into DX server, then navigate to DX home/DX tools directory, where we have install-SSO key utility. In the command, we have three options: -f, -kp, -ksp. -f should be given the value as absolute path to the key store file, which we have copied it from MFT server. KP and KSP value should be same as the values which we have used to create the SSO key. After this, restart DX services. Now we will see a demo on the same. I have logged into Informatica MFT server and navigated to MFT home/server/MFT tools directory. In the command, we have to provide values for keygen passphrase, key passphrase, key store passphrase, old kp, old ksp. The values for first three options can be given anything as per our wish, but for old kpsp, we have to provide the values of existing key store. If while installing MFT, we have used the default key store generated by the MFT installer, then the values of old KP and old KSP would be default. The command will generate the output as shown. Now navigate to config security directory, where we have key store file. We have successfully created the keystore.jcks. Now copy this file to DX server, and after this restart MFT services. Logged into DX server and already copied the key store file to DX server, that is to DX home. Moving to DX tools directory and running this install-SSO key.sh command. In the command, I have provided the values of -f, -kp, -ksp. See, it has installed the SSO key with DX. After this, we have to restart DX. Here I conclude this video. If you have any queries, please refer to Informatica knowledge base and Informatica documentation. We will love to hear from you. If you have any feedback, please write us at supportvideos@informatica.com, twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.